Hello friends, welcome to my channel Coding Lovers. We are going to discuss about Go module. This is the last topic of this quick start series. I think you have watched all the previous videos, and if you have any doubt, query or suggestion, you can write in comment section. I will reply you. Using Go module, we can get rid of standard project structure of Golang, which is SRC, bin and PKG, as you already know. Go module is very important for Go dependency management, which we will discuss in code. We will discuss some old concept like Go root and Go path. So Go root is path of Go SDK and Go path is path of project, which we are going to learn a bit deeper. We will revise some old command. So for running Go code, we can use Go run file name. For building Go code, we can use either Go build or Go install. If I want to specify the output directory, I can use Go build -o option and give the output folder name. Let us jump on VS Code. Hello friends, we are going to learn how Go path works. So we will switch our first project Hello Go and we will see the concept of Go path. So this is our first project Hello Go. If you will see the folder structure src bin pkg, within the src there is a folder hello, there is a file hello.go. Let me open this project in VS Code. So we can go here, open recent, and we can open hello.go. Let me go in source folder cd src/hello. Now if you will see this folder, I have blank pkg folder and I have blank bin folder. Now let me run the code. The code is very simple. We are printing hello go. You know how can we run the code? Go run hello.go. We are printing hello go. Now we will examine the folder structure. So if you will see src hello, still hello.go file is here. Now we will go in pkg, it is a blank. We will go in bin folder, it is also blank. So question is, there is no binary file, then how code is running, what is happening? To understand this, we will understand the concept of args. So we will use os package and we will write os.args. So we will take os. So if we will check the command line arguments, we will come to know how this program is running. So for checking command line argument, we can use os.args. So format.println os.args. So as we know, the first parameter of argument is basically path of the exe which is running. Let me run go run hello.go. So if you will see the output, C user Vivek app data local temp go build number b001 exe hello.exe. Basically Go is creating hello.exe file on this location. Let me run it again. So if you will check, Go build number are different, means it is a creating exe file, but this is a temporary file. It is changing each time when I am running the program. Okay. Now we can check for Go build. How Go build work? If I will run Go build, it will create exe file in same folder. So now I can run the exe file hello. So it is taking hello from same folder and printing hello. We are going to understand the concept of Go path. So let me check the Go path. How can we check? Go env. So if I will type go env, you will see go path, see user Vivek go. If I will check my current project path, it is a D Vivek work go. So go path and project path are different, but our code is running. This means go build and go run doesn't require go path. Then where is the problem? Let us try go install. If I will run go install, no install location for directory dvivek work go quick start, hello src, hello outside go path. So go install is not working. Let me remove this file hello.exe. So for running go install, we need to set the go path. So we are going to temporarily set the go path. Set go path equal to current project root path. Dvivek work go quick start hello go. Now let me run go install again. It is running perfectly fine. So let us check the folder structure. So if we will go dvivek work go quick start hello go. So if we will see src folder, there is no exe file. If we are going in pkg folder, there is no exe file. But if we are going in bin folder, there is exe file. So go install has been created exe in bin folder. If we want to run the code, so we need to go on cd bin hello. Now code is running perfectly fine. So now we have understood that we require go path for go install, go run and go build is not required go path. So this is a one kind of problem. If I am working on multiple projects, so for each project we need to set go path, which is not good approach. How we will remove this problem, we will learn in next video when we create go module. Thanks for watching, coding lovers. Like and subscribe.